My one of eyes not the lobby. We up straight vibes, jump and champagne. Boom, I admire.
Top deck, drunk up. At 90. Go look a word. Fuck your mama. Dog shit.
Well, I wanna switch, you no change one. Shut up, boy, I know if you no day one. When you play with the
man Shelly, you ever hear saying say who last laugh it best? Remember that laugh when me pranky people them say ice wall me. I don't know drunk yo, cause man Shelly, you big ass bumbo clad. Shelly me say, you know me. Alright, don't know bad. Me live in Florida, I wanna live. Florida.
Sidem's like this, like arguing with him. Kartel's just sitting there drinking, but she's clearly shouting at him and getting.
See a video girl on the place with a man, I say. Him see Vybz Kartel and him fiancé in our car. Argue?
Say, well, I tell my people them come back like double C. What may you pussy one?
Breaking news. Vybz Kartel said the wedding has been postponed.
You need to wait to hear the real news. Sometimes you just do some things just to see what people have to say. What you are going on now? Me have to talk about squash and what I go on with squash 100%. So
I woke up and my friend told me so that they shot the boy that killed Slicky and till this day, every now and then when I go up on Instagram.
One of them press realize. Hustler and the Empress shot a while.
You don't know what it is like to co-parent respectfully. You understand? That's why I'm not quick to jump up and I call up Shorty name, and Kartel to go back to Shorty, and Kartel still love. I say, what go on with Shorty? Shorty right now, a mental problem all I reach human and Guyana over Vybz Kartel. If Shorty did work harder.
No, Shalom can't do it. Big up Tamili, man. Remember say Tamili has seen devil song in them. We can't big up Tamili, you know. Tamili I work for devil, you know.
If you don't have no papers in America, you get one with 3 strap. You're failing it. But him can't get no bail. No fool on the cell about bail. Bail where? When I hear that.
Viewers and subscribers, Pepper Kid is back again with the next epic one. You know how the badness come down. Yo, the media is so fucking wild. Hear me as now. Yo, we are get down in them thing here. You know. Today we are going to talk about squash. You see me? We are going to talk about squash mother again. We are going to talk about Blam Them. Blam Them are mad up a place. Yeah man, we are going to talk about Sidem and Vybz Kartel. You know the badness come down. And we are going to talk about some many more out here. So, yo, I chat some bugger things. Man, I chat up them mouth pan Sidem, pan Kartel, pan everybody pan the social media. Yo, this thing wild. Yo, people, like, subscribe and share. Yo, me not do no bugger chatting. Yo, say Shalom over here, so tell Beanie Man, say, yo, me I go try the Trinidad food. You see me, I make Beanie Man know, say, me I got this in the Beanie Man. You know the badness come down. Yes, man. So, yo, here's some man over here, so talk some bugger things here, me. Yeah, man. Kevin over here, so tell them, say, yo, if such man is squash, Kevin I say, it's squash. Get hold on with gun and him have whole heap of felony. You know, say, that will cause a big problem for him and him career. You know the thing go. But here we go on now. See Blam Them this of squash and this of squash mad and make bad remarks and him just I think down squash and I go and thing. You see pre. But catch up here. Now boom, squash get bail today. You see pre and stay and jump out. I don't know what happened to Blam Them and I don't know if Blam Them I go drop down or what. Yo, you see me? But here we go on. You see when Blam Them chatty and them thing. And you know go as all in plan. You know so people are gonna stop listening to you Blam Them. Cause here we go and them are gonna pray as a fraud. You know the badness come down. That's not my business still. You see me? So Kevin come back and Kevin I say, Jano, yeah man, the dog get bail and away. You know what thing come down. You see P, you know say busy signal over here so. Yeah man, the dog a push film thing worldwide you know. Yeah man, an international artist, the dog want be like you know. Yeah man, the dog a try. I not say man left Jamaica and dash to Jamaica. Jamaica and born and grow, but the dog still a push him thing on a level. Though. Yeah man, I like that busy signal. See him way though. Yeah man, Killer show them say yo, Me out same way, man. Me active, man. You know what thing come down. Nothing no change, you see me? Yeah, man. So here we go on, people. Like, subscribe, and share. Now get down in this. Couple woman over here, so couple bubble, I say, yo, a bag of things over here, so. Yeah, man, me no want to do too much talking another one, you see it? Yeah, man, as I always I say in my video, them. Me know, I hate the bag of chatting, but here we go on. Me love all the social media go on. Vybz boss, big up yourself, you see it? Yeah, man, all of my try bring you down, you still stand up firm. Yeah, man, squash, man, active up yourself, see me. Show them, say, yo, no matter what them do, they can't bring you down, see me. You see it? Yeah, man, blame them. Behave yourself, man, because people, them don't tell yourself to behave yourself. No matter what you do, you know, say people are go out here, highlight your fuckery, and you have people out here say, yo, what's you know, blame them easy. You can't pull on your mouth on people, so you see it. Yeah, man, but people, you hear me I say, we are go down in a video them now, you see it, now clip picture I got you see it. We not waste no time, we not waste no time. We are giving you want to see, and we don't want to hear. Blame them. Be a badness over here, man. You hear me I say? We are going down in this thing right now. Viewers and subscribers, John, I forgot to tell you, say, yo, Massacre drop, I know this track over here, say, you see, pay. Yeah, man, when you jump over there and make him know, say, yo, Pepper Kids say, no, see him with your door. Yeah, man, you see, pay. Leave an opinion in the comment section. Tell me how it sound, tell me how you like it so far. Yeah, let me know what go on in the comment section. No big up on yourself, see you, man. Stay safe out there, you know. We get down in this. One, done the chatting right here, say, you know. Yes, man, I want to get down in the footage, you know. You hear me, I say, no. Yo, them I say, yo, see them, man. Cartel catch up in a car and one bag of thing, yo, me can't believe. What go on? Vybz Kartel, don't tell me, say, yo, the wedding really postponed. Yo, daddy, don't make them mash up and see them thing, you know. Because here we go on. You see them a come from far, you know. She alone did that faith in a year, you know. When enough of them did play a game with her, you know. You know, see when they jump out and say everybody look something. Yo, Vybz Kartel, hold on for your empress in the Vybz Kartel. Because next man will hold it for you, now. Hold it. A man have eyes pan see them, you know. Me nah say, yo, where, you know. Yo, Vybz Kartel, turn up on your feet, do the right thing, you see, pay. Yo, people, no jump over and them thing, yo, over here, warm. Yes, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, as I say, we start off with a little girl that talk about film friend where man did dash way and thing, and the man get dash way and know you see, pay. So, yo, them kind of celebrate about the situation, because what? Them like the look, you see me? Although none of them dash way person, yo, them still appreciate what God put out for them, you see, pay. So here we go on. We get down another clip here. So here we go on. We are going to give the people them what they want to see and what they want to hear. But here we go on. The video I go talk for everything. So you want to put one on one and make it a two. Though, who can do maths, just do the right thing. We are get down in the video right now. Check out what the girl I say.
I kid you not when I say when I woke up and my friend told me so that they shot the boy that killed Slicky and till this day, every now and then when I go up on Instagram, I don't go on Instagram like that, to be honest. Worse than at my business page, and from there at my business page, I just can't bother with Instagram. But the news of the guy being in a shootout and then like we're not supposed to feel joy with things like this, but a lot of people on social media did love Sticky, and me for one person, I'm always in that girl's DM whenever she posts anything, my comment, and she ever they reply to me DM and so forth. She never met the fame get to her, even though she know that she was an influencer and people might hate her. She knows a lot of people out there love her, and since Sticky and gone, I haven't seen anybody come as close to say can run Instagram or even on TikTok as a female like Slickiana. She was so special. Like, I don't know, but I feel good. I feel good knowing that this girl, her son, won't have to go around with that rage when him get older to say want to find the murderer and to analyze the murderer who took his mom. It's like, I don't know, I feel good. I never know her personally. I'm tell her, say, my dear Mara, one time I'm say, you're on my bucket list anytime I come to Jamaica, I have to meet you. And I kid you not, that same year I was going to meet her. The following year after that, I was going to go to Jamaica and then meet her. And yo, I just love how she used to be down to earth. The girl never make the fame get to her, and a lot of these people make it get to them. You know, have to kiki with everybody, but you know, people out there genuinely love some people, and I feel good that she can rest now, and I hope one day
she can finally meet her. Me feel like that she did want to say to how she has stutter for about a couple seconds. Well,
I'm just glad for her. And to know that this boy was out, according to the news, he was every week in their road, and every week he did have to check in a police station. Because of how him family have money, them say, me not know him, but me even, I've been around people who said they've seen this guy, the guy tried to look them, but something about the guy turned them off and they never pursue it and whatever. And I'm like, well, I'm not lucky. Because this guy that using looks and catch people, I mean, not lie, me could either be somebody because of somebody what me would have looked on too, but life, it just work out. And for no say, people know say in a whole heap of woman, and a one woman this boy kill her and still when they walk on road, all because in family have money. Like, I don't know, like a funeral and wait night, I don't even know. The whole of Jamaica right now supposed to feel good. Her mother, Slicky and her mom, supposed to feel good. Her tears they now waste. It might take 2 or 3 years now. 2 years since it happened. This is why they say you don't need to do people evil. You do not need to do evil to people who do bad to you. Leave them to time and God. R.I.P. Sikiana Anika, the one and only girl on IG when they run the place hot and there's no other come against her. Like, feel good.
breaking news. Vybz Kartel said the wedding has been postponed from February. He moved down the date some more. So, and upon further notice, him can tell you now when the date. But the wedding, where him did originally schedule for February to Sidem, it now about to happen for February. So he must say it might move to maybe 2027 and to a later date. But he will keep the public and well-wishers. He will do no notice when the date come. So Sidem, you already know the news, say the wedding already postponed and it now go on for February again. As I said before, the later date is set between 2027. A wedding day go on, you see me? Some of us wish boss look and everything when I'm ready, you see me? But so far, the wedding now take off of the ground, you see me? Breaking news if you never did know.
Because he's literally in the car right next to me. The security guard's like, no pictures. You can see them arguing. Don't do that, man, don't do that. So obviously I thought, you know what? Kartel's there having an argument. I'm not really going to come up to the car and film him while they're literally just sitting there arguing, right?
See a video go around the place with a man, I say. Him see Vybz Kartel and him fiancé in our car. I argue. I'm looking at it and I say, but wait. Should I believe this man? Wanna believe him? Anyone I wanna believe him? Where they prove the virgin? Where is the proof? Because the Bible says prove all things, and in this day you have to can prove things, because this is the day where people do or say anything to get likes and views. And you have a lot of people fabricate lies out there to get likes and views and attention. So when they prove the virgin, you have to come up with some proof. Where is the proof? Well, me not say a lie, you're telling her. But at the same time, me not say a true. You see, Fran, you not got to prove how you say. I don't know how that will work.
You don't know what it is like to co-parent respectfully. You understand? That's why I'm not quick to jump up and I call up Shorty name, and Kartel to go back to Shorty, and Kartel still love Shorty, and Kartel, Uno might be right. Of course, the man probably still love him in baby mother, but not in the way that Uno I put it. The man ever Shorty not fight for no position in a Kartel life, you know. I'm not talking about Shorty must hate me. I don't give a fuck what he want hate me. It's not about if me like Shorty or Shorty like me. It's about the truth and what that we come about.
Believe.
You understand? It's the fact say Shorty now in a position in a cartel life because she doesn't have to. As she named Short Bass Music, a one Short Bass Music, and not two. You get me? She had a man baby mother. She give the man 3 picnic. She don't have no position for fight for right there, so. You understand? She don't have any position to fight for. The people them communicate and coexist for them children because them put them picnic first and them love them children. You get what I'm saying? So uno talk about Shorty Kartel forgot. Shorty they tell you say she want back Kartel? Or Kartel they tell you say him want to go back to Shorty? Because listen, that's not hard to do. If that was the case, or if that is even gonna be the case tomorrow, that's not hard to do. And at the end of the day, it's not about Shorty or Sidem or none of them something. It's about anything where Kartel say it me I work with. Or about that. If Kartel say I see them, I mean I have no problem with that. And if Kartel say a Shorty, I mean I have no problem with that. And if Kartel go down to Zimbabwe tomorrow, go take one girl from down to Zimbabwe and say a she, that me I work with. How it go? Don't stop worrying about the people them relationship. The people them are co-parent because them have 3 beautiful kids and grandkids. You understand? And this is the thing there. So no leave it out, man. I leave the man alone, man, and the people them business. No for no know how for co-parent. No for no Jamaican parents. Baby mother live bad with baby father and baby father live bad with baby mother. And when me see no for no do no depend on the media, ball out, la. To none of the people them do that. Uno put in no own 2 cents. On the talk cheap, man.
Assalamu alaikum, no swine in there. Boy, this is my from blood clot, then one sign.
One of them press realize. Most of them interest shut down one. Dancehall DJ friend them. Them come and promote them now. Yeah man a wear dress. Fast man in a dress. Big mouth, buster rhyme in a dress. And wheel shut up. Gun them. Yeah man. Long cocky man them a wear dress. Gun them. Come now. Salam. See what you see them do? Them come here and they want to think say them still there at Jamaica in a them local community where they can do it. Bro, you do not. Donald Trump really at work.
Really at work, man.
If you don't have no papers in America, you get one with 3 straps. You're felony. Felony them alone, you gonna get deported. Then, so on a look for him. I don't know how long them are going to give him, if them are going to even hold him for a long time. But him can't get no bail. None of the fool on the cell about bail. Bail wet. When I hear that, him not the papers. A man not the papers, so him going to get bail. Where am I get bail from? I ain't not the papers. Them are going to look on it. Number one, them are going to look on it and say he's a flight risk. If them give him bail. Oh, okay. Run. But I'm not gonna give him no bail. Anyway, so Amma. Yeah. You don't know what am I telling you? But this man can't get bail, brother. America me live, brother. There's no bail at it. The bail when I want deportation. 2 body. Murder call for your name. Where I get bail? How I get bail? When
Alright, me not know yet, but me know so when you get deal, when I set something like immigration, I go pick you up after. So you have different deal. You have two-step deal.
Amma. Me did lock up in a immigration and me never have two body for me and guns. You understand?
But that's what I say. You have a two-step. You can get deal from one person, but when you reach out to the immigration party, different again.
That man already in immigration and again, immigration and in there.
So we have, me know so you think so large, so me know you're supposed to get some fat money already. But the feel like still. So if I get the card, them two things that we matter about already go, right?
No, but Mr. Hammer.
Yeah.
Me hear say about and come true.
You can't hear a lot of stuff about even some, one time when he did get locked up the first time, him they put in paperwork and all that, but remember that first case there, where the girl they come from, what's over the sun here? Yes, to a Haitian girl, that time there.
Okay,
Right?
So,
I know he did have some farm of paperwork, so that help him for the back of road. You understand?
Yeah, and that help him for the back of road and he make him name in a mix up again. A play, a tie boy, man.
People can push you in a mix up without you in a mix up, That enough remember, With that, we know all girl, People call your name for certain things till it become real. You understand? You don't know if him have the two body.
Look here. But let me tell you something, Hammer. Hold on, Hammer. Remember, people call your name in a things because they become real because the people them who you associate yourself with them. If you try to distance yourself from people and minimize your number from people, and if you know say boy you try walk this straight path, people can't call your name so easy. I tell you that.
But this man that people got listen Kev, you know this, so this man that you can eat little food on the corner, they do for life for man, they hungry. Eat something good, man. Look at
some of the black girl, some of the dark skinned girl in the Caribbean, man. We don't have to go step up on the game, we don't make too much. Yo, let me look on it now. You know, say most of the artists them from the Caribbean are foreign woman, them married. Me look on Pumpa out of Soca. A foreign woman, Pumpa married out of all of the woman them are St. Thomas, US Virgin Isle. Remember me say, what go on? Why is it that Caribbean man frightened for foreign pum? Is it that Caribbean man frightened for foreign pum where a foreign girl will have them all and do some things with them? Hey people, me up on all sides, cylinder shot. More here. See them right now take away Vybz Kartel and I can't got Turkey right now. Anytime see them get the baby in their belly, the empire done. What is on them nose? I'm out. Yeah, so me feel like say, yo, woman enough to know what a high valued man is. Don't wait till the man, boy, me don't know. Robert Nesta Marley they get foreign pum. Is it that Jamaican man them frightened over foreign pum? Is it that Jamaican man frightened over foreign pum? Right now, anytime Vybz Kartel married to this woman, dancehall go a Turkey. A Turkey dancehall go. And me know say Vybz Kartel, if you hear me right now, because I want to talk to one of Marley them too, Because people don't see what I go on. Them say that after Vybz Kartel tell the girl them say a freaky girl in love, see Lisa hype they are mad out because the woman believe in what the teacher say a freaky girl and them love, and then he go married, he go hook up with Sidem to Bumbuckyard. Rastafari. People are drop down. I say, how come Sidem go to bomb and get in a driver's seat? Them I say Jamaican man love foreign woman. They love foreign bad. I don't know where I get the backstory tonight. Where I get the backstory, because the backstory is Robert Nesta Marley do it with the Miss World. And Robert Nesta Marley nearly mad Rita Marley. Rita Marley lose weight. Let me tell you, say Rita Marley shrink down to the bone. When I say what go on with Shorty? Shorty right now, a mental problem all I reach woman of a guy and over Vybz Kartel. If Shorty did work harder and never give it the boom, Vybz Kartel me would never talk to Sidem, but Sidem just wait until Shorty goes and flap up and fly in one time. And see it there? She under Vybz Kartel nose. I tell him say him out. Yeah man, some of them women have to come out for them pumps and prime. Some of the pretty girl have to come out for the pumps and prime and work harder. It look terrible, it look bad, you know, foreign pump take one of the biggest investment out of Jamaica. This next year go yes a blood clot popcorn. Get a foreign pump. If you Shalom good I get a foreign pump. Know that in Ghana, Trinidad, me sell you know. And at Jamaica, the breeding ground for all I high valued man them, you know. The high valued man them from yard. Boy, you know, see what I go on. Shaggy good have all a foreign. You see them headache now. Jesus Christ. Watch her all the best. Wish her all the best luck. We don't have to go work up. I don't know. Because Vybz Kartel love freakiness and him turn all like Caribbean girl them in a freak. Every girl a right now and not even a spit out them swat. So Vybz Kartel broke out the whole of a woman them now and go get a foreign girl who look like she not even wear anything below, anything above her kneecap, she not put it on. But Vybz Kartel have a woman them a wear bad rider, put the printer, all kind of mother. And we can't talk to them because him tell them say, yo, I put power, but me I tell you a tricky man trick, no for the girl them get tricky, you know. Yeah, hold on, that's why me no want listen, me no want enough woman no want Jamaican man, you can't work hard for a Jamaican man at the top of the food chain. You know, see them come and get a high value Jamaican man, I want you. Which boy you can't go pick up a high valued man just so with your see them come with how much land, see them no come with nothing, now she come with her and her good attitude and her obedience, and she take away man. So right you know, no about say you don't want a Jamaican man, you cannot keep a Jamaican man. Cause Jamaican man not easy to keep, no idiot, dibby squaw man them there. And see them know. You think I what's under me nose I'm out Kartel one say, Kartel I say yo. You need to wait for hear the real news. Sometimes you just do some things just to see what people have to say. What you are going on now? Me I go talk about squash and what I go on with squash 100%. So this is what's going on with squash right now. Squash have been arrested yesterday. And where he was is with Sean Kingston by a local board party where them did have. You understand? So the feds was actually watching squash. And when squash goes and move towards a car and stand up outside the car, the driver when they in the car have a strap on him. And him also have a strap under the seat and a neck strap in the glove compartment. Squash did not enter this car as yet. The feds them run down pan Squash, hold him because them know the car, run through the car and actually took him, lock him up and put the charge by him for the gun them. Squash did not enter the car. So people, we are carry on the big false news them wanna run on the internet with, me I tell you what is real. Now, the reason why Squash is still in arrest, him still not come out because him get bail. But him still not come out. Why him still not come out if him get bail? You will ask. Remember that him have a little altercation before with the feds. You understand the gun look foolish for them that talk about him get shot and all of that. Nothing no go so. Squash never even get engaged. The man even come out himself and tell the world say, me never get no shot. So me don't know what I talk about. The man never get shot. So, straight up, a lot of things on our run on the internet I said is incorrect. What is real is what I just said. And what I just said is 100% facts.
I don't know, drunk, yo. Got some Shelly. You big ass November clad. Shelly, me say, you know me. Alright, no bad. Me live in Florida, I want to live. Florida, me live. Miami, Florida. Miami, Florida, Brickell. In front of the tower, when me showed you yesterday. over there me live, your apartment in front of the tower. Put the tower in I Google and you go see apartment in front of the tower. That's where me live. Pull up, boy. We there every day I make music. We there build rhythm. We there on TikTok. We are do trading. I don't know what me do. I don't know what me do for a living. Pussy. We do everything. I got illegal activity. Be a gun. Send the police them on the pull up. Cause suck badness. Cause your mother squash. Me tear down the pussy. And then last day me I contact boy. Just come prove your badness. Squash, come prove your badness where I tell the people them say bad. Come squash. Come prove your badness. Squash, come prove your badness. No if you come prove us. You sang them can't pray Bronx. My friend Bill Gates where G-Man Bumbleclad. G-Man and brother Eldon and him squash can't play. No we are Bronx. And with them man a party. Cause the selector boy go play squash man party. And the selector run out, run out of party pussy. Cause squash play. We are going career back squash. You can't play now we go anyway Miami you play, me go it. Me go take it bad this serious. Me go low TikTok and the action pussy. I no identity me say pussy. Remember say me the America illegally in a but I mean no identity. Me just give up and crash out. When the top call me name I go mother. But why? Paper I swear to God me there some. Cause suck Shelly. Tell the people them say shit up. Cause suck Shelly. You big and bumbleclad, you up.
No other artist never believe in me like them two artists. No family, no friend. And my dog. No woman no believe in me. No woman they never believe in me like them two girls. God boss me. Remember me telling you that. Anyway, watch me. Back to why me rate me guru. At 13 years man locked down for in a prison. I think a boy fell locked down in a prison. More the people against the people, your girl left you. Everything that's bad happen. And you still have a conscious mindset. Can entertain people, can sing. Not even Shalom can bumbleclad do that. Me not ask you because me not go try. But me I tell you, not even Shalom can do it. Big up Tamil man. Remember say Tamil I sing devil song in me can't big up Tamil you know. Tamil I work for devil you know. As far as Uncle D man you know. But a bad artist, but no one me remember say Shalom not sing devil song, you know. Cause suck you know. I want to know God me work fine, you know. But big up Tamil.
Hey, Sidem, we are all of eyes, not the penthouse.